Today, I'm going to teach you how to use SOQL query in Salesforce. SOQL, which stands for Salesforce Object Query Language, is a powerful tool that allows you to search and retrieve specific data from your Salesforce database. If you're looking to pull contact information, account details, or any custom object data, mastering SOQL queries will make your workflow significantly more efficient. Let's start by opening the developer console, which is where we'll be working with SOQL queries. Look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your Salesforce environment. From that drop-down menu, select Developer Console. This opens up a dedicated workspace designed specifically for developers and admins who need to write code, debug, and run queries. The Developer Console is your command center for all things technical in Salesforce, and it's where SOQL queries come to life. Once the Developer Console opens, direct your attention to the bottom of the window. You'll notice several tabs available, and among them is the Query Editor tab. Click on it. This tab is specifically designed for writing and executing SOQL queries, making it straightforward to interact with your Salesforce data directly. Now you're ready to write your first SOQL query. In the Query Editor field, type in your SOQL statement. For example, if you want to retrieve the name and phone number from your contacts, you would type something like select name, phone from contact limit 100. This query tells Salesforce to pull the name and phone fields from the contact object, limiting the results to 100 records. SOQL follows a SQL-like syntax, so if you're familiar with database queries, this will feel quite natural. After typing your query, look for the Execute button. This is typically located near the Query Editor and is your go-ahead signal to Salesforce to run the query you've written. Click Execute. This action sends your query to the Salesforce database, which then processes it and returns the matching records. Within moments, your results will appear in the query results grid below the editor. This grid displays all the data that matches your query criteria, organized in rows and columns for easy viewing. You can scroll through the results, analyze the data, and verify that your query is pulling exactly what you need. If you need to refine your query, simply modify it in the editor and execute it again. And there you have it. You've successfully run a SOQL query in Salesforce, giving you direct access to your organization's data in a structured, efficient way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.